Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok app, and today we are going to talk about how to allow or block someone share your TikToks. So let's go to this app, and first and foremost we need to say unfortunately that there is no special option to manage this process. But we have a cool solution for you. Let's make your account private. In this way you can smoothly control and check who can watch your TikToks, and remember that your friends who can watch, who can check your created videos have no way to share them. So you can smoothly take care of your privacy when your account is private. So how to make this account private? This question we will answer today. So right now we are on our profile page, where we have to pick on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later let's choose settings and privacy, picking in the privacy option, and the first one in the of the whole settings list is private account. To create your account, as you can see, private. In this way you can smoothly control all of the actions from another accounts on your profile. So let's pick on the toggle opposite, and right now your account is absolutely private. Remember that no one can share your TikToks, only you can share with another person, but no one else. To disable this option, to make your account public again, let's pick on the toggle again and choose the switch option on the pop-up app notification. Perfect. To save all of the changes when you turned off or turned on this option, let's pick on the arrow and refresh our profile page. So guys, if you think that this tutorial is needful and useful, don't forget about likes and subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!